Maria is 45 years old. Once again, she wakes up in the middle of the night, her heart racing and sweat running down her neck. She sits up, tired and frustrated, wondering, what is happening to my body? If you've been dealing with night sweats, sudden waves of heat, stubborn weight gain, or trouble sleeping, you might be asking yourself the same thing. And here's something most women never hear clearly. These changes are not just age, and you are definitely not alone. Millions of women go through deep physical and emotional changes during the menopause transition. Some expect it, many don't, and almost none feel prepared. But menopause, while completely natural, does not have to be a constant struggle. The first signs often appear quietly, and at first may not seem connected at all. Your periods may become irregular, waves of heat appear out of nowhere, sleep becomes lighter, shorter, or disappears entirely. Your energy drops, your mood shifts, intimacy can become uncomfortable, and your body may store fat more easily than before. Some women even describe feeling mentally foggy, forgetful, or less sharp. And these symptoms can last for years, sometimes 7 to 14, which is why so many women feel tired, overwhelmed, and discouraged. But there's another piece of the puzzle that many doctors only recently started emphasizing. During the menopause transition, your levels of estrogen and progesterone naturally shift. When this happens, the body begins relying more on a different hormone, cortisol, the body's stress hormone. And when cortisol becomes too high or constantly elevated, it creates what researchers now call a hormonal cascade. This cascade can make everything worse. More hot flashes, more stubborn belly fat, more irritability and mood swings, more restless nights, more exhaustion during the day, and a feeling that your body just isn't responding the way it used to. But modern research, including studies from Ivy League institutions, has uncovered a new perspective. Easing menopause symptoms isn't only about replacing hormones. A powerful approach is supporting the body in two ways at the same time, balancing estrogen and progesterone naturally, while also helping the body maintain healthy cortisol levels. When both parts of the equation are supported, many women report noticeable improvements in their comfort and quality of life during menopause. Let's go back to Maria for a moment. Once she finally understood what was happening inside her body, she stopped blaming herself. She began looking for gentle, natural approaches, options supported by science, rather than drastic or invasive treatments. And over the following weeks, she noticed small but meaningful shifts. She started sleeping more peacefully, her hot flashes weren't as intense, she had more mental clarity and felt like herself again. For the first time in a long time, she felt in control. Today, many women exploring natural support during menopause look for science-backed formulas specifically designed for this phase of life. One formula that has been gaining a lot of attention was developed by a highly experienced team and a women's health specialist. It combines clinically studied ingredients with sensorial, a patented compound shown to support healthy cortisol levels far more effectively than a placebo. This type of dual-action approach, supporting hormones while also calming the stress response, is something many women find comforting during menopause. It doesn't promise miracles, but it may offer real support. If you're curious to learn more about this type of natural, research-based approach, I left a link in the description and in the first comment. There you can explore the full list of ingredients, the scientific background, and stories from other women going through the same journey. And as always, remember, this video is not medical advice. If you have concerns or intense symptoms, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before adding new supplements. Menopause does not define you. It is just one chapter, a transition, not an ending. With the right information, gentle support, and a bit of self-care, this phase can become far more manageable and even empowering. You deserve to feel calm, confident, and comfortable in your own body again.